So, good evening, my love bugs. Y'all, I literally just rolled out of bed, so I may have cold and stuff in my eye. And it's fine. It's fine, okay? Because I'm going through a vlog. Last night, it was hella late. I went to a reggae concert. I love reggae. If you from up north and you like reggae or you just like reggae, make sure you give me a red, green, and yellow heart down below. But yeah, I did that last night, so I'm gonna get myself together. I'm gonna go to IKEA, get some stuff in my house. I'm gonna take y'all with me. A lot of people been asking me for vlogs. I do have a camera, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna keep my camera on me at all times now so that I can vlog, because I gotta get back in the groove, y'all. And it takes, when you starting to get back into it, it takes, and then I really be busy. Like, my life just been everywhere. I'm just been really busy. So today I have off and I'm going to take y'all with me. So I'm gonna insert the clip I had from last night. Is from a reggae artist named Prodigy. So enjoy that, and I be
yeah. Well, I'ma do my thing like this. Rock to the rhythm like this. I love it when they sing like this, like this. Alright, well, I'ma roll my split like this. Yeah, they call me when I get like this. True, true. And take a little leave like this, like this, like this. Go it up on your own. I'ma do my thing like this. Yeah, and rock to the rhythm like this. I love it when you sing like this, like this, like this. Yeah, when I'm up in the groove. Oh girl, I love it when you move. True, true. So all you wanna do is like this, like this. Hey, hey, hey. No,
So I'm here at IKEA and we're gonna get some things. So they have this, and that match my pillows and kind of like my couch. And then I got these dishes because they were only $1.99, and I got the whole. So guys, I don't even know. Like, I got some dishes, and I wanted this clear chair, which was like $78. But I was like, should I really get it? But I think I need to get it. I'm gonna show y'all how it looks. So this is the chair, but it's $80, and I'm like, is it really worth it? But I really want it. So how cute is this? So what I can do is I can put that like at the front in my living room, and you know how you have a menu? I think that would be cute. How cute is this chair? This could be for my vanity. It's like a director's chair. I think that. So they didn't have the chair. That sucks. But we'll make it work. So just stay tuned with me. If I do plants, it's gonna be fake plants. But I'm gonna show y'all. This mirror is so cute. Oh my god. I think I got enough mirrors though. But this is super cute. And y'all know IKEA has the best freaking food. So I have to find something that don't have chicken. Oh my god, it looks so good. And it's so cheap. I got all of this and a drink for $7. So I'm about to check out. Look at all this stuff I got for $90. That's not bad. Y'all better go to IKEA. So hey guys, I successfully created a blog, my IKEA haul, and I did get some things. I'm super excited because this time around I get to really be as creative as my mind can take me with my place. I just want to thank y'all for sticking in there with me, and it's gonna be more to come. I got my eyebrows done. I want to talk about that. I got my new tattoo. I want to talk about that. It's a lot of things I want to talk about with y'all, so make sure you subscribe, turn on your notifications, because it's going down. I'm telling you. See, I got my camera. I'm not playing no games with nobody. I'm ready. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in a little bit.